Yo, what up everybody? Boo617, welcome back to the channel. So I just got out of the gym, right? And I was just thinking, I'm gonna let you guys know the progress that I've done so far with my exhaust. It's been a roller coaster to say the least, right? Oh my God, what a headache. So as you know, what I first did was I put the test pipes. The test pipes with that flex in it. Cool. It kind of made it sound like a straight pipe with the factory Nismo H pipe and the in the axle backs. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you what's the difference between these. These are the ones that obviously were on before with Luger Racing. I had an issue with that because it was way too loud and it sounded almost like a trumpet throughout the mid range in the RPMs. All right. So then what did I do? I decided to buy the DNA catback exhaust. Cool. Pop that bad boy in. So then what? Then I had an exhaust that, in my opinion, was too quiet. It was too quiet now, right? So I got used to how loud the other one was. I just didn't like the trumpet noise at the mid-range. But the DNA one was too quiet because it had the 4 resonators. Not only that, it also had 4 flex. My system ended up having 4 flex pipes because the catback brought the flex pipes and the test pipes brought some flex pipes in them. Okay, so my biggest issue was, 1, it was too low. 2, there was a rattle noise when I hit higher RPMs. And that thing really started to bother me. Okay, so what did I do next? I took the car to Lou's Custom Exhaust, which is a local shop here in Boston. They have a few shops around and they're pretty good. I cut out the center section of the catback exhaust. What did that include? The resonators. It included 2 resonators and 2 of the flex pipes. So now I only had 2 resonators, which are attached to the exhaust. Which are attached to the mufflers, and the 2 flex pipes that are attached to the test pipes. Cool. The sound is back. It sounds more aggressive, but there's still a rattle. There's still a freaking rattle that I don't know what to do with. So what I ended up doing now, I ordered some more test pipes. But these are resonated, right? So the difference between the resonators that I took out and the resonated test pipes is that the resonators that I took out were big. The resonators on the test pipes are small. I'm hoping that balances things out. It takes away that rasp, that rattle noise, that rasp, whatever you want to call it. Hope it takes that away. And at the same time keeps the sound aggressive. And I'm going to also have to go back to the shop and have them reinstall some flexes on the catback because I took those out. And the new test pipes don't have flexes at all. So that's the next project. So I'm going to wait. It's supposed to be getting to me around in 7 days or so. And then I'm going to install those. And, man, you guys just got to pray for me that this works out because I am looking for the perfect sound. And I just haven't found it yet. I either found too low or too high, too loud or not loud enough. Rattles here and there. I just can't find the perfect exhaust. Dual exhaust. I want it, and it also needs to be dual. So it's been a trial and error, and I think I'll figure it out. I think I'll figure it out soon enough. Stay tuned. Big difference. There we go, first startup. Round 2. Weight tamer. It's his lowest. Is in idle, or when I'm revving it, you cannot hear the rattle noise or the rasp. It's only when I'm driving it and when it's at mid-range in the RPMs. So that's why I'm waiting for those new test pipes to come in, toss those on, and hopefully that becomes the best sounding exhaust with no rattles or anything. Fingers crossed, guys. Booba 617.